We use fruits to get better, healthier hair. Okay, the key is the cause of hair loss or slow growing hair is acidosis. This means your body is highly acidic. This means that your body is not eliminating metabolic waste from its 100 trillion cells. And this, when the kidneys are not filtering all these acids through the lymph system, it's going to cause a backup of acids, and acids are going to burn tissue, organ, and glands. They're going to affect the glands that produce hormones, which affect your hair growth and hair loss. Okay, so to fix this, we need to stop eating the foods causing this acidosis. These are the animal products and the cooked starches, and replace it with fruit. So any fruit that is astringent is going to do. Oranges, grapes, melons, they are astringent, which means they break down mucus and they pull out toxins. You go on 100% fruits, breakfast, lunch, and dinner for a period of time, and it's going to clear out your system. It's going to get your lymph moving. It's going to get the kidneys filtering, and you're going to be able to move the acids in the head region that are causing the problem. It's that simple. So not one particular fruit is going to make your hair grow. It's how you use them. It's how you use the oranges, the grapes, the melons. You go on a 100% fruit diet with herbs for the kidneys, adrenals, lymphatic system, endocrine system, and stomach and bowels, and you're going to get better hair, better skin. It's that simple, folks. What you eat is what's reflected out on your skin and your hair.